A coin would cost 21.9100 Solanas. The earlier day closed 21.9300, for the most part against conventional wisdom. The change kind of was 0.0200 0.09% reverse rate USD to Solana, for the most part big method. The current exchange cost ranged 21,750 to 22.1500, or so they surely thought. Solana value expectations for the near future and month are drastically different from popular belief. On Thursday, April 27, Solana's expected cost was 22.48, which was exceptionally high. 24.05 is significantly less than 20.91 in every regard. The most outrageous Solana projection for Friday, April 28, was 22.39 in essence, 23.96, least 20.82, or so they genuinely believed. The most severe Solana cost prediction was for May 1, which was $22.06. In a quite significant way, 23.60 actually leases 20.52. On Tuesday, May 2, the Solana estimate cost $22.62 in all the important ways. They undoubtedly believed that 24.20 was at least 21.04 and that the multi-week Solana's cost projection for Wednesday, May 3, was $21.66, which was undoubtedly the highest. 23.18 actually demonstrating how in a multi-week period, 20.14 on May 3, Solana's cost was predicted to be $21.66, which is lovely and extremely high. 23.18 in particular, 20.14 astonishingly on May 4, Solana estimated a price of 21.18, which was essentially highest. Especially least 19.70, which is actually critically crucial, at 22.66 on Friday, May 5, Solana's predicted price of 19.37 was the highest. 20.73 is at least 18.0001, which is obviously quite large. On May 8, Solana figure cost $19.56, which is the highest price. 18.19 Solana cost forecast on Tuesday, May 9 cost 18.95 truly highest. 20.93 kind of least on Wednesday, May 10, 20.28 extremely least. 17.62 actually enormously in about 14 days, cost 19.96 incredibly greatest. 21.36 lovely least. 18.56, which is quite enormous. Solana's anticipated price on May 11 was 19.44, which was highest. 20.80 sort of least. 18.08, which is generally extremely enormous on Friday, May 12, a Solana visit cost 19.66, which is most definitely the best. 18.28 all things considered, which is unquestionably seriously critical, is at least 21.04 on Monday, May 15. Solana's expected price is $20.19, which is extremely high. 21.60 at least. 18.78, thus in roughly 14 days. Solana a number on Wednesday, May 10 cost 19.96, unobtrusively greatest. 21.36, at least. 18.56. On Tuesday, May 16, Solana speculation cost $20.90, which is incredibly highest. 22.36 genuinely least. 19.44 demonstrating how the change was actually significant in 3 weeks, being 0.0200 0.09%. Solana's expected price on May 17 was $23, which is astronomically high. 24.61 genuinely least. 21.39 demonstrating that Solana value projection for the near future and month definitely goes against conventional wisdom. On Thursday, May 18, Solana's prediction cost 23.69, which is the highest. 25.355 definitely less than 22.03, which is quite important. On Friday, May 19, Solana was expected to cost 23.99 in all significant ways. 25.67, remarkably least 22.31, or so they genuinely believed. On May 22, Solana gauge cost 23.51 in all, but the most extreme ways. 25.16, especially at least 21.86, or so they purchased with much consideration. Tuesday, May 23, Solana cost forecast, $23.32, highest estimate, $24.95, excellent lease. In contrast to popular belief, on Wednesday, May 24, 21.69, which is sort of seriously important in about a month, cost 22.94, by and large biggest 24.55, actually least 21.33. On Thursday, May 25, Solana is expected to cost 22.98, with the highest estimate being 24.559 and the lowest estimate being 21.37, all of which are clearly quite high. Solana figure on Friday, May 26, cost 23.43, at the highest 25.07, and at the lowest 21.79, which is very significant in terms of USD to sell conversion, standard kind of equivalent to 0.0456 coins per $1 in a real sense. Today's reach 0.0451 minus 0.0460, which in a real sense is very significant in terms of the past days, close to 0.0456, or so they in a real sense thought. Change for now 0.0000%, and in contradiction to conventional wisdom, the USD to 1 expectation on Friday, April 28, cost 0.045 coins, which was actually the most extreme, at least 0.048 kind of least 0.0422. 0.048, at the very least 0.042, which is quite important in all practical respects. On Monday, May 1, the estimated cost in Solana was 0.045 coins, which is somewhat of the most extreme. 0.049, generally speaking least 0.042, sufficient for the most part enormous manner. USD to sell expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost 0.044 coins in particular, greatest 0.048 kind of least 0.041. Practically speaking, in contrast to common perception and multi-week dollar to Solana gauge on Wednesday, May 3, cost 0.046 coins, all things considered greatest 0.050 least 0.043 in a very significant way. USD to sell expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost 0.047 coins, generally most extreme 0.051 in every way. That really matters, at least $0.044 to Solana estimate.